The ability to manage data as a discipline in a bank everywhere is going to be absolutely important. As a bank, we have got the advantage that we have got lots of data off the market, we have got lots of data from our clients. Data-driven banking for us at Deutsche Bank means that we're looking at data on three levels. Basically, it's a license to operate. We're able to demonstrate the data to the regulators. Second, data helps us to make the right decisions in the bank, how to allocate capital, but also for our clients. If you are a retail client, you want to have your data instantly. You want to do your payments instantly. So that's where data and access to data plays a very important role. And then the third element is use data for more insights, for new business models. It's going to be super important to master data not as a separate discipline, but as an integrated discipline. We have found that creating really great solutions is dependent on bringing our expertise around data with our data specialists, but also the business expertise to the table. We are adding selectively other specialists from the bank, could be compliance, for instance. We've got our data hive in Dublin, which is a big team of data scientists that can work with data, also with more modern tools like artificial intelligence. And we also bring in our clients into this entire setup, because I think it is important to understand from a client perspective what their needs are. We are creating solutions for our clients where we play back insights that we have gained from the way they interact with us. Obviously, it's very tempting to play around with data and share it all over the place and consolidate it and use it for all sorts of things. But we have to remind ourselves we are a bank. And as a bank, at the core, it is about trust. The clients have to trust us. They trust us with their money, they trust us with their information, and we have to be very careful about how we use data and how we aggregate it, so it's not possible to draw any conclusions on our clients. And that's why we have to use data in a very responsible way. The second aspect is obviously banking is a highly regulated market, so there are some clear rules what we can and cannot do with data. I think the big advantages banks have towards, say, the big new technology companies is that we have got clients and clients relationships for a long time. And I think the art and science will be to find the right balance of using the data as an asset and at the same time be very conscious about the trust that our clients put in us.